Hello, children. How are you all? Welcome to your computer class. So, in this class, we are going to continue the chapter Microsoft Word. So, in this chapter, you have already studied about Microsoft Window, how you can enter a text, and how you can select a text. Now, today we are going to study how we can format a text. Okay, but how you can format a text? Before that, we should know what is formatting. Formatting text means changing the text and document to make it look more attractive. Suppose you have typed some story or some passage and you want it to look beautiful and attractive. You can change the color of the words, important words in between. You can make the heading bold. You can change the style, isn't it? Like you can make it bold, italics, or you can even underline. You can change the color. So these are the things that you can change. Now, how to do all this? Let us see now. Okay. So children, first thing that you will study in formatting is the font. So here you can see the wolf and the lamb is written, and it is written in Arial font. The font which we have used, the style ki kis tarah se words ho, that is Arial. So we want to change the font. हमें ये passage जो लिखा है इससे heading को अलग करना है. We want it to be separate. So first we will select the heading. Then we will go to this font box. This is the drop down arrow. You have to click it and all the options will come over here. Like if I want it to be Times New Roman, I will click on that and it will change. Now I want it Arial black. Here, I will click it. So you can see now the heading is in black. Now I want this heading should be bigger than other word. Again, select it. Go to the size, font size, and you can change the font size. Like now I'm doing it 20. Earlier as well it was 14. Now I am changing it to 20. So you can see it is much bigger now. Now you want to change the color of few words. Like thirsty. I want that thirsty should be red. Select it. Go to that color area. Again, click on the arrow and select the color of your choice. I want it to be red. I have selected red. Now you can see thirsty is written in red. Now children, I want that few words should be bold. Okay. Then what I have to do? First I will select that word. Like I want to change this. Lamb should be bold. I have selected it. And now B. B is for bold. You can either click B or you can use the shortcut Control plus B. Yeah, I have clicked here and now you can see lamb is little bold than other. Now I want this stream should be italics. Italics means that these word will be little bit slanting. So I have selected it. Now you can see near B it's written I. You can either click on I and or you can use the shortcut Control plus I. Stream. Like now it is in italics. Now I want to underline stream. Select it. Again go to U and see U is written for underline and you can see that symbol is also written. Just click on that or you can use shortcut U Control plus U. So you can now see that stream is underlined. So now you know how to change the font, how to change the size how to change the text into bold, italics or underline. And you also know how to change the color of the text. Now you have completed with your work of writing and formatting. What come next? Next is to save the document. Now, have you ever thought why we should save a document in computer? So we should save a document in the computer memory so that we can use it in future. We can read it and we can use it somewhere else, and we can, if we want to edit it in future, right now we have written it. When you are done with the writing part and everything, now you have to save it for the future use. So when you want to save this, click on this file, and now this backstage view will open. You can see save and save as. You can either click on save and you can either click on save as. When you will click, this window will open. You have to change the name of the document, and whatever document you will save, it will save with the extension .docx. Okay, it will save with extension .docx. So now I am changing the name to lesson. No, I wanted to be the name of the lesson, the wolf. The wolf. Now click on save button. It is saved now. Now you have saved the document. Now opening a document and closing a document. You can open a saved document to view it on your screen. आपने जो save किया है, you can again view it, and you can close the document after finishing your work. Let us see how you can do it. So we were working on this document and we have saved. Now we want to open it. So again, file, you can see this open. And where we have save, we have save in documents. You have to click and you have to look where you have to save. Okay. See the wolf. The wolf is written over here and with the date. Open. Click on that and then open. This will open and you can work on this. We saw a pulp, lamp, and you can type whatever you want to type after that, and after doing your work you can close the document. Now again, for closing also, click on file tab, then again the backstage view will appear, and then you can see save, save as, open, and then close. So you have to click on close and it will close. So it will ask whether you want to save the changes. मतलब कि जो आपने document खोला and you have done the changes, whether you want to save the changes or you don't want to save the changes or you don't want to close the document. Okay, so these are the three things that you can choose. You will click on that and that function will occur. Okay, so right now I don't want to save it, I don't want to close the document, so cancel it. Now you have studied about closing and opening the window. Now exiting the window, how you can exit the window. Let us see. Now again you have to go to file tab, click, and there you will see right at the end exit option. Click on that. Again, we want to save the recent copy, or you don't want to save, or you want to cancel it. So I want to save, so click on save. Okay, so children, that is all about this chapter. I hope you have understood the chapter. Thank you. Bye bye and have a nice day.